Welcome to the FlameTask video on signing up. There are a couple of ways to sign up. You can go to the main website, flametask.com, and click on Sign Up. This will navigate to the Sign Up screen. Another way to get to the Sign Up screen is from the app website as well. Click on the Sign Up link. On this screen, enter your email address that you will use to log into the web system or mobile. This user will by default be granted all privileges. Enter the password you want to use to log into the system. Enter your company name. Select the plan. The plans have specific features and prices. See the FlameTask website for more details. Select the one that best suits your company or organization. Send promotional emails is toggled off by default. It would be a good idea to turn this on to be notified of an update that you may have been waiting for. There is a link to the terms and conditions. Click this and read the terms and conditions. After this, turn the toggle for this to on, or you won't be able to continue signing up. Finally, click on Sign Up. The next screen is the payment details screen. Enter the payment method that will recur every month for the amount of your plan, but only after the free trial period, which is to evaluate and get set up. You can cancel at any time, even just before your trial period ends, or at any time you wish to end the subscription. How to do this will be shown later in this video. Click on Open Settings. At this point you are already logged in. The logout is lower in the settings menu. If the login didn't work due to the fact you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the sign-in screen. A message will show at the bottom of the screen saying a link has been sent to the email to reset the password. From your email, open the message, and click on the button to go to the web app to re-enter and reset your password. You can add users in the web app by clicking on the Settings menu, and click on Users. Click on the plus sign to add a user. Enter the technician's name and email address. The email address is what the user will use to log into the system. You can upload a profile image, which is useful in scheduling work. Select the permission options for this user. When done, click Add. Notice there was nowhere to enter the password. An email was sent to the user, so the user can set up their own password for their login. In the body of the email, click on Accept Invitation and it will take the user to the web system to enter and set their password. The user will enter their new password and click on Accept Invite. The user is then logged in. For a user to change the password if they already know it and is logged in, just go to Settings and Profile. The password can be entered and changed here. To change your payment or payment information, or to cancel the subscription and payment, in Settings scroll down to Billing Portal. This screen is just an example, but you can change the payment information or cancel the subscription. Thanks for watching the FlameTask video on signing up.